So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and I'm going to be taking a look at the Maono Wave T5 wireless lav microphone. This is going to be an ideal budget solution for content creators, vloggers, and just anybody that's looking to up their audio game on their channel, whether you're streaming or anything like that. And we'll just see if this Wave T5 microphone is going to be worth your money. Let's take a look. Okay, so here is the Maono Wave T5 AI wireless lav microphone. Professional tuning, super CD sound quality, AI noise reduction, 300 meters wireless transmission, and it's small and portable. It's also a plug and play microphone, so you should have a pretty easy time just sort of plugging it into your smartphone and being on the go. So here we have a really nice feeling case, and then inside is the USB-A to USB-C cable, elastic and magnetic, I don't want to say bits of string, but I guess for holding it. Some paperwork, silicone gel, so it keeps the moisture out, which is great. And then here we have the microphone, which is in a really nice high quality case. Oh God, loads of bits and bobs. So here are your clips for the microphone. Here is the case. So your transmitter is here, and then your microphone's here, which of course clip onto there for easy connection. And then they just, as they slot back in easily. If I can get it the right way. Let's just have a look at some of the other bits you get. Sorry, these are the transmitters. What am I on about there? Another microphone, so you can use while charging. Is another feature which is just on this one here. Sorry about that, my mistake. So a couple of transmitters, you've got one for Lightning and one for USB-C. USB-C is the one I'll be using. And then some wind muffs, is that what they call them? Maybe, just to obviously stop the wind when you're out and about. And then you've got a 3.5 plug to 3.5mm plug as well. So you get loads of extras inside the box. So yeah, really nice high quality case, charging port at the back there. And then of course your microphone's here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug them into my phone, and then I'll just do a little bit of talking in front of the camera. Okay, so here's some audio sample coming from this Wave T5 microphone. I am probably going to use it in a couple more videos just to get a bit more of a feel for how it sounds in comparison to my Boya microphone that I've been using recently. So it's available on the Maono website and Amazon US for around $120, but it will be available here in the UK, probably on Amazon UK around the end of March for around 130 quid, something like that. So I'm just testing out the audio quality again of the Maono Wave T5 microphone. I've got a video of mine playing in the background, so I'm just going to test out the active noise cancellation. So hopefully tapping this button turns the light green, so hopefully this is drowning out any background noise from the microphone. But let me know down in the comments what you think of the sound quality. But do let me know down in the comments what you think of this microphone. How does it sound in comparison to my other microphone? You'll have to go back on some older videos, wink wink, check those ones out to see what they sound like and see how they compare between the two. So hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I primarily focus on budget smartphone and tablet videos, but I am looking at branching out into more videos a little bit like this. So please support the channel, hit subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.